What is protein and how does it works? Hi friend, my name is Bhupendra and I am an online diet consultant, an online fitness coach and online fitness expert. Today I like to talk about the proteins. Proteins are the building blocks of human body. Our hair, our nails, our skin, our eyes, everything is consist of protein. If you include a good protein diet in your food, then definitely you will see marvelous results in your health. If you like to reduce your fats, if you want to become a smart, a handsome person, then you must include a required protein in your diet to gain the results. Basically, our body requires 19 types of protein, in which 10 types of protein our body makes automatically. But the nine proteins we need to take from outside from our food sources. Food sources for the proteins are the those foods which contains the all the nine proteins are the chicken, meat, fish, eggs, cheese, and those food who which contains not the all the nine protein but some proteins into them are lentils and grains. But the good news about the vegans is that if they combine two or more non-fulfilling proteins into their diet, then with their combination it makes a one. For example, if you include lentils along with the rice, then it completes your full diet. Basically, if we talk about the requirement of the protein of a human in human needs, proteins requirements are different from a sports person and as per their activity level. If a person who is not working out, who is not doing any kind of exercising, then they require around zero point 0.4 to 1 gram of their body weight. And basically it should be according to their need, because there should be some test must be on him so that we can find out that is there is any lack of protein in the body or not. But it should be at least around 1 gram, zero point 0.4 gram to 1 gram per gram of body, per kg of body. And if we talk about a sport person, it can be varies from 1.4 gram to 2 gram per kg. If a person who is a 90 kg and he does not do any workouts, then his protein can be varies from 60 gram to 90 gram. If a person who is 90 gram, he does his workout and all the things, then his protein can be varies from 180 gram to 150 gram. So this is how we need to take care for the protein. But as I mentioned that the proteins are the most important thing in anyone's life. Protein, usually when people try to gain their health benefits for the long term, on that time they must include the protein in their diets. Because once a person who become obese and once a person who receive the condition of the overweight, he is prone to get overweight again. And there is a myth that you should not consume that much protein. It can be affect your kidneys and all. If you're consuming so much water, then I guarantee you there should be no harm on your kidneys, on your body. Eventually you will see benefits of protein in your life. So protein is the key criteria of any weight losing, and even it is also a key criteria of muscle building if it combines along with carbohydrates. So if you're looking forward for some kind of fitness gains, if you're looking forward for some kind of uh, losing weight, then you must include protein in your diet. If you like to munch something like the snacks, like the Indian snacks like namkeen and some sweets, then I would like to suggest you that you should start consuming uh, rice along with lentils at the time of your munching also, so that you can see the benefits of proteins in your diet. If you have any other queries, then do feel free to contact me on LinkedIn. Feel free to call me. Feel free to give me any WhatsApp message. I'm here to help you. Thank you and have a healthy life.